Welcome to the exciting clash between Al Ittihad and Al Fatah FC. Both teams came into this encounter with a great energy and determination, and the fans were treated to the thrilling match of football. From the very first whistle, Al Ittihad showed their attacking intent, pressing high up the pitch and trying to create chances through their quick passing and pace on the wings. Al Fateh, on the other hand, we are not going to sit back. They responded with sharp counterattacks, making use of their midfield strength and testing the defense of Al Ittihad on several occasions. The opening minutes were filled with end-to-end action, and it was clear that both sides were eager to get the early advantage. Midway through the first half, Al Ittihad broke the deadlock with a brilliantly worked goal, a clever build-up play from midfield open space, and the striker calmly finished pass to the goalkeeper to send the home fans into celebration. The stadium roared as Al Ittihad took a deserved lead. However, Al Fateh FC were quick to react. Just before halftime, they found an equalizer, a well-taken free kick delivered into the box, created choice, and their forward was on hand to the slot the ball home, leveling the score and keeping the game alive. The second half began with even more intensity. Al Ittihad pushed forward, creating several dangerous opportunities, while Al Fatah relied on their solid defense and tried to hit on the encounter. The crowd was on the edge of the seats as both sides looked determination to grab the winner. Al Ittihad eventually regained control with another fantastic move. The winger cut inside from the flank, delivered a precise cross, and the striker rose highest to head the ball into the net. It was a classical goal that showed the quality and determination of the team. Al Fateh did not give up tough. They pressed in the final minutes, forcing the Al Ittihad goalkeeper to make a couple of brilliant saves to protect the lead. The match ended with Al Ittihad coming out on the after a hard-fought battle, leaving their fans delighted and their opponents proud of their fighting spirit. What a game it was, full of drama, passion and quality football. Both Ittihad and Al Fateh FC showed why there are such competitive teams, but in the end Al Ittihad had just enough to score the victory